In this video, I'll show you how to enable Kraken Pro Trading View. First, open the Kraken Pro app or go to the Kraken Pro website and sign into your account. If you don't already have a Kraken account, create one and complete any required verification before continuing. Now, once you're logged in, Kraken Pro automatically opens with its advanced trading interface. There's no separate setting you need to turn on. If you're using the standard Kraken app or website, simply switch to Kraken Pro by opening the Kraken Pro app or visiting the Kraken Pro platform with your existing Kraken account. Next, choose the trading pair you want to view from the Markets section. The TradingView powered chart will load automatically in the center of the screen, giving you access to advanced charting tools and technical indicators. After that, customize the chart to fit your trading style. You can change the time frame, add indicators, draw trend lines, and switch between different chart types using the toolbar around the chart. Now, if you'd like to save your preferred chart layout, sign into your TradingView account from within the chart if that option is available. This lets you sync your layouts and indicators across supported devices. Finally, you're ready to analyze the market and place trades directly from the Kraken Pro interface using the order panel below or beside the chart. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to enable Kraken Pro Trading View. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.